Yeah, here we have a DAREX V390 drill sharpener. It appears to be unused. There's a little issue with the motor starting. You want to start it up when you turn it on. The motor doesn't want to start up. As you can see, it's barely moving. If you lift the machine up though, like this, it'll start fine. And of course, if the motor's still turning, it'll restart. So I don't know what's going on there. It might be a defective motor. And we took the bottom cover off right here just to see what was going on here. Now, one of these plastic knobs broke off during shipping. It holds this piece right here. Now, it does include a operating instruction manual. You got a DVD. You got your test cert. Here's your cord. We use our own cord to plug it in, and then your drill holder right here. So again, we'll try to start it up. As you can see, you lift it up again. Might be a defective bearing, or it could be a defect with the motor. We're not quite sure. Anyway, it's sold as parts and repair.